This video is going to show you how to have a beautiful lawn using organic fertilizer, but it's different because I've made a lot of mistakes, spent a lot of money, and now I'm going to share with you the technique that works. It costs less, it's easy to do, and you can have the same results yourself at home. So watch this video and I'll show you how. Going organic doesn't mean that you have to be committed to going 100% organic. I incorporate some organic products into my lawn and landscaping, and I get a lot of benefits doing that. I am able to reduce the chemical usage that I have in my lot, and I get those benefits of increasing my microbial activity, improving soil structure, and what I've discovered is some organic is actually better than all organic. The biggest reason you go organic is because it's safe. I've got kids, I've got pets, they're always running outside. So if I go organic when I use lawn fertilizer, that means I can put down fertilizer and my kids or dog can go out immediately after. I don't have to worry about it at all. Choosing the right product is really the point of this video. If you get the wrong product, you might get no results, but if you get the right product, you're going to be thrilled, and that's what I'm going to try to share with you in this video so you don't make all the mistakes that I did. I purchased Milorganite last year. I put down a ton of it on my yard, and I had no results. And that's right, I mean no results. In fact, I didn't see anything even after 2 months, and I finally just gave up and decided I needed to find something else. I tried some others and I did not get great results, though many of them were better than Milorganite. They just weren't worthwhile using. What I ended up landing on was a product made by a company called the Andersons called ANOVA. And this was a completely organic product. It's not made of any kind of waste. It's actually made of soy meal or soybean meal. Andersons is a very large company. Lots of golf courses use their stuff. If you've watched my other videos, I've made some reviews of their spreader, which was really like the Rolls-Royce of spreaders. So when I saw that they had an organic product, I felt like based on their reputation, it would be pretty good. I put it down, and like most organic products, you're not going to see an immediate result, but what I noticed was after the second treatment, I saw a very noticeable result, and I was really happy with it. So that's when I started to change my mind about organics. And for me, ANOVA was the product of choice, but the main thing that mattered was that actually it worked. How to save money and make it easy to do. I will do a 70-30 split on the fertilizer. Now don't worry about math or science, you don't need to know any of that. You don't mix any of these products. I recommend using synthetic fertilizer for your first lawn fertilizer treatment. You can use any kind that you like, start with synthetic, and then for your next 2 subsequent treatments, do organic. So basically you're thinking about like a 3 fertilizer cycle. First is synthetic, organic, organic, and then your next one will be synthetic and go back to organic. Doing that has really gave my lawn the punch of color and the growth, but I feel like the organics have really helped boost the soil structure. And during the season when I use those organics, I don't have to have any of those worries about safety, and it really makes my life a little bit easier. But the most important thing is it costs less, because now I'm saving 30% a year that I'm not paying that full organic price. My lawn looks much better, it's definitely greening up more, and the growth has been great. So I hope you get a chance to try this for yourself, and now that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how I apply the ANOVA product, and it's really easy, and just show you what it looks like and how you can work with it. This is the product that I'm going to use. This is the ANOVA organic fertilizer made by the Andersons. So this 140-pound bag at what they call the low rate will do 11,000 square feet. And remember, with your square footage for your lawn, that is going to be just your grass. So you might think, geez, I have a ½ an acre lot or I have an acre lot, but most people do not have nearly that much grass, because you've got a driveway like this, you might have sidewalks, a swimming pool, and your house itself. The foundation is not included. You're only dealing with the size of your lawn. Really need to worry about wearing long pants or gloves and things like that. I think the only hazard is you don't want to breathe in like a lot of the dust, but that would be the same for any dust. Interesting thing too about this product is it really has no smell. So if you've used Milorganite, a lot of people talk about the smell of that, and this product doesn't seem to have any. So if you didn't like the smell of Milorganite or you want to try something else, that is one option. I don't think you could even smell this being put down at all. You want to be about the same distance apart for each run. It's about 9 feet for this spreader, but it might vary depending on your model. And the other huge plus with organics is that even if you're a little bit off, it doesn't really matter because organic fertilizers don't have that super high potency that's going to give you those terrible green fertilizer stripes. So it's a lot easier to work with and apply. Fertilizing your lawn is really an easy thing to do. Using organic fertilizer is great because you could do it anytime. Your kids can come right out, your pets can come out. You don't have to have any fears with it, and that's the best thing about it and why I like to use it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great day.